So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what GrowthGenius is able to do for you. Starting on the Prospect Searcher tab here, we're able to find the ideal customers that we want to go after so that we can target them with email and LinkedIn messaging. Our entire database is about 250 million total prospects, but of course you want to filter those prospects down so that you're going after the specific segment of people that are your ideal customers that you're going to send down a specific messaging sequence. So to filter those prospects down, you can use the filters here on the left. So let's start with location. I only want to go after people in the United States. And it's going to search for those people. And then we can add other filters on top. As I go through this, I'm just going to do some high-level filters, but you can get really, really granular here with excludes and includes, and I'll save all of that for a future in-person demo. Let's say we want to go after CEOs. Now we have 20,000 total prospects available for CEOs in the United States. What I would usually do is go further here, make sure that we're filtering by the number of employees that a company has, to make sure we're going after the right size for us, as well as industries, and then getting really specific with keywords that are relevant for those prospects. So we can get really, really specific, and the more specific you are, the better the messaging you write is going to resonate with your prospects. Once you've selected your ideal prospects to go after, you're going to assign them to a sequence that you've written. We have a whole bunch of sequences here that we're running, but when you want to look at a specific sequence, here's what an email sequence could look like. We have a full email editor in here. Of course, this is the subject line, but within the body here, you're able to add videos, images, links, do all the formatting that you can with a full text editor. And we have the ability to personalize every single message. Here we have the first name. We're using the city that the company is in. We are naturalizing the company name. So it takes out things like LTD and Inc. And when this message gets sent, it is changing for every single person that it goes out to. And here you can see a little preview of it. And that makes messages really personalized, and it comes across like you took the time to write the individual message for that person. Of course, we can have multiple emails in a sequence. You can add as many as you like. You can run split tests as well to make sure you're optimizing your campaigns. And you can see the statistics right here. So these analytics will tell you what's working and what's not working. Add more split tests, remove split tests, and continue to optimize your campaign. Once you've selected your ideal prospects, you've sent them down an email sequence or a LinkedIn sequence, and they're starting to respond. You're starting to get meetings booked. The next thing you want to do is dive a little bit deeper into the analytics. And we have a whole reporting dashboard that allows you to do that. As you can see, we've added almost 60,000 contacts. And you can really filter down here. We have tons of options available, whether you want to just look at LinkedIn, you want to look at specific team members, specific campaigns, start and end dates. This allows you to really dive deeply into what's working and what's not working so that you can improve your sequences and get higher response rates and better closed rates. And finally, what we have is an actual inbox where you're able to manage all of your messaging. So this keeps everything really organized. We have automatic templates set up here so you can respond very quickly. But all within one platform, you're able to find your ideal prospects from a list of 250 million. All of those prospects, when you add them to a sequence, get verified in the background before they get attached to the sequence. You can write as many sequences as you want. You can split test. You can make them as long as you want. You can personalize them. And then once people start responding, you can even manage those conversations within the platform. There's a whole bunch more to this, and I'd be happy to go through it, or one of our sales team members go through it with you on a deeper call. Thanks.